Are you fitting on top of my guy here? Barbers have no idea how to save the most. I give him a highball fade so the top could appear full. Cut down the top to match the shortest length. Prep his hairline with shave cream and spritz to lock it in place, and carefully line up where his natural hairline should be. I finish with some slight color enhancements, which should last him 2 to 3 days since I prepped his skin right. Cargo beard, which I handle by fading down the sides. Have him puff his cheek to prevent push down, give him that razor work. He had no hope until I gave him life. If you need a save like this, I'm in the Pittsburgh area. Hit the link in my bio to book your appointments, and let's recreate you.
We are moving to another haircut and this gonna perfect haircut. Yeah, that was so pretty haircut transformation. The perfect shape of line with the skin fade. That was amazing. Oh my god, this guy got hard waves and see what's gonna happen. Yeah. Oh my god, this is gonna be a huge chops transformation of the day. This guy got new life. Yeah. Wow.
You see this rag on his head and the bulge of this beard? He wants the top short and textured. Brother wants to elongate his face and make his beard more square. He tells Nico past barbers would jack up his shape. So Nico slices like a samurai warrior and sculpts him like a statue at the Vatican. Along with a top-grade service, only King. From Sloppy Dad to Big Poppy. If you need the best service in the Pittsburgh area, hit the link in the bio to book. You deserve it, King.
That's probably the best experience I've had, like getting my haircut, man. I'm really satisfied.
Yeah, he's satisfied.
Appreciate it. Seems like you enjoyed it too, which is cool.
What do you think the biggest difference was?
I came in here just like looking like I had some style, but a little disheveled. Whereas now it's like,
Okay.
Yeah, you got it down pat now.
straight. All right, yeah.
Spicy. That was spicy haircut. I love that. Oh my god, that was perfect mid fade with the shape of line. Anyways, we got another some brushwork for 360 wave, and as you can see, this guy got perfect low tapper fade for his 360 wave, and this haircut inspired by the 360 Jay-Z. As you know, he is the best barber. That was fantastic.
Up, man. I slid my lineup
Okay.
up, man. This shit's slanted as hell. Temple fade, keep it dark, like a 1.5 or 1. Keep the C cups about mid-level on the temple.
You're a barber yourself, right?
Yes, sir.
What do you really look for in a haircut?
I would say symmetry in my C cups and my sideburns.
Kind of have smaller vertical bars, I see.
It's so tiny.
Have you had them pushed back before?
Sure, uneven. This one used to be just slanted, like it was thinning out.
You know what? It's overgrowth is also an issue. Nah, he's looking perfect. And it's perfect. It's better than now. It's better. As you can see, this guy got also some overgrowth here on forehead, and this barber gave him a new life. Yeah, that was pretty awesome. This is gonna be a step-by-step low tapper fade. It's, oh my god. So sharp. So sharp. It's so perfect shape of line haircut transformation is that.
My client paid me $80 for this
Okay.
haircut. First, we're gonna comb his hair out and take it down with that 3.5 blade, being careful of the light spots in his hairline in the front. We decided on a mid-fade just to complement his head shape. I drop it in the back just a little bit. As you can see, he has an extreme light spot in his hairline, so we're gonna go ahead and take down the hairline, add some foam, and push the right side back to match the left side. Now we're gonna freehand trim the top, just to get it looking nice and neat and clean. This is the finished look. If you're located in Philadelphia, click the link in my bio.
This guy got also some overgrowth on his forehead. Okay. Getting some shape. It's look better now, I think. Not perfect, but better. It's so narrow, you know. When you got overgrowth your head, you have to be settled with yourself that your lineup gonna be a narrow. So yeah, it's cool. It's pretty awesome.
How I cut thinning
Oh
waves.
my
First thing I'm
God.
gonna do is match the density on the sides to the top. Then I
my
carefully
God.
cut the hairline down to
Thin
make
hair
sure that
and
it
got
lays
some
down when I
receding
style
hairline
it. Next, I'm gonna
and
line
got
it up,
light
starting on
spot
the
on
lighter
their
side
forehead.
first to avoid pushing it back. And then I'm gonna style it up with some mousse and a do-rag. Here's the before and here's the after.
Yeah.
This is without enhancements and this is with
It's look
enhancements.
better.
If you're in Vegas and your hair's in need, hit that link in bio to book your appointment with me.
Most expensive barber. What made you book with me?
I saw your portfolio of work online and I was like, yeah, that's the way to go. Like, so much to reference with you, right? We could scroll through your stuff and find something that fits. Like these other people, it's like, I don't see the proof of concept.
Okay, I pull up, hop out at the after party.
Chops and everything?
Motherfucker got jokes.
Not today, pulled up off your page here. On maintaining that length, just cleaning up the edges, fading down from the top.
You like how far we faded down his beard? His is pretty dramatic.
Maybe less dramatic, and the same type of thing, yeah.
Oh my gosh. That was crispy. That was crispy. Anyways, we got another huge transformation of the day. As you can see, this guy got some rough afro, and this is gonna be a most beautiful afro haircut transformation. Yeah, that was perfect. That was pretty awesome. Oh, this little kid got perfect mid fade with a shape of line and got some another extra line on the side. It's looking pretty awesome. It's a kid's thing. Yeah, he's looking beautiful. Yeah. Why so serious? He was so serious. I don't think so. He's satisfied with the record. Oh my god, that was crunchiest mid-fade haircut transformation.
Just get a fucking fade already. This guy wanted a simple cut with a 1 on the sides. I was like, told bro to sit back, relax, and enjoy the fucking ride. Let me bless this motherfuckers because I'm about to change this man's life. Check this out. Went from looking like a simp to a motherfucking pimp. If you're in the Mount Vernon area and need this service, link in bio to book.
Around the world.